Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we're opening the first in a series of new how-to guides from Kitchen Garden magazine. This particular issue is focused on how to grow month by month and comes with loads of free extras, so let's take a look. So this is a new offering from the publisher of Kitchen Garden magazine, Britain's best-selling publication for those growing their own fruit and veg, and it's a new series designed to show you how to get the most from your outdoor space. Whether you've got a large back garden or just a small patio, the Kitchen Garden how-to guides are perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. So for just £9.99 you get the new issue packed with great advice from all the experts, plus, and this is a really cool thing, you get up to 15 packets of seeds worth at least £20. And in this issue I'm opening today, you also get a 2022 King Seed catalogue. So every guide in this series is a how-to on a particular topic, and this first issue is how to grow month by month. This is a guide to all the essential tasks to do on your veg patch in your greenhouse throughout the year, and it's broken down per month. It offers great advice and inspiration to the many who are new to gardening following the lockdowns, but it's also a great memory jogger for more experienced growers. As well as a quick reference to the main tasks for each month in the front, readers will find bags of detailed advice in the main section, but it's also good for those just starting out in the hobby because there's advice on starting a new plot from scratch. What really strikes me when I'm opening this issue is the amount of seeds you get for your money in this. Each one of these packets is worth at least £1.25 just on its own, and you're getting all of this for £9.99, as well as the issue and the 2022 King Seed catalogue. So that's how to grow month by month from Kitchen Garden magazine. It's available now from classicmagazines.co.uk. Just check the video description for a link. But it's also available from all the big retailers such as Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's, Morrisons, Waitrose and WH Smith. If you have any problems or want to find out more, then feel free to contact our customer services at 01507 529 529. And keep an eye out for future editions of the series, including how to grow veg, how to grow food for your kitchen, and how to grow greener. Thank you for watching this unboxing video.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.